I am Sumit Kumar. Today I start for the full stack Java. In full stack Java comes the SQL, Core Java, Advanced Java, web development, this HTML, CSS, framework. So all the topics SQL, Core Java, Advanced Java, web development, HTML, CSS, framework explain full details, but now I am talking about SQL. Okay, SQL, what is SQL? So we understand about first of all application. Okay, application means WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, PhonePe, Google Pay, and many more. Okay, etc. Comes from SQL. Okay, so application. So application type. Next we study about types of application. In types of application we study firstly with a standalone application. Okay, in a standalone application comes Excel, PowerPoint, etc. Okay, we understand about a standalone application. Okay, so a standalone application we consider that two system. Okay, if we take two system and both are in PowerPoint, actually already we know that a PowerPoint system is not shared with another system. Okay, so actually already we know that the PowerPoint is not shared with another system. So that such types of the system with not shared with another system, it called it is a standalone application. What? A standalone application. Okay, a standalone application. Okay, so it is okay. In a standalone application, if in any run the program or server, so it is saved in where? So it is saved where? It's called a database. Okay, database is the such types of the server in which all the function of program in system after the searching or work. So in the basic component which stored in that is called a database. Okay, it's a database. Okay, next is web application. Next is web application. web application. Okay, next is web application. So web application, we understand about web application. Okay, so firstly, actually, web application is also called as third party application. Okay, third party application. Actually, we understand by the example. We take two system. Okay, if the system is shared by with another system, it's called as web application. Okay, it's shared by the another system, it's called as the web application. Okay, web application. Okay, example of web application is that third is example of web application is that if in any server is search or like that, example Facebook. Okay, Facebook, we search on one gone of Google, and we search Facebook FB, then we open the browser FB. Okay, so in this case we don't keep the FB application. Okay, direct search and going to the Chrome. Okay, so next is next we understand about next we understand about client server application. Okay, application, client service application. Okay, so we understand about client server application. It is a mobile application, right? If you are using the FB, so before web application I understood that if we are searching the FB in going to the Google, so it is also open the page of the FB. But if you are not searching on third party, okay, so if you keep in your PC or phone, okay, FB, then we don't search FB. Okay, we don't search FB, direct go on application FB and login, and we use the FB, Instagram and many more. Okay, not needs for the another third party application. Okay, it is a direct. We understand about database and internet. Okay, so in this client application uh, database and internet is both is need. Okay, needed. And what is database? I understood the database. Okay, so both is needed. Okay, and in web application both is also needed, and client application, okay, sorry, in a standalone application for example we take PowerPoint, so this both is not needed. Okay, so next is we are next is three tier application. Okay, three tier application is what? Okay, what is three tier application? In this three tier application, categorized in three category. Okay, first is front end, second is middle end, third is back end. Okay, so if we are using any application, okay, in any application like that example, so we take the example that FB. Okay, we take the example like FB. Okay, so in FB with first of all, if we are open the FB, we are opening the FB, so firstly so that create account and login. If you are not use the FB, so firstly create account. First page is create account. It is a front end. Okay, front end. Okay, next is it is gone on the next stage. We in which all the filling the details such as name, date of birth, and password, many more, and all criteria is fulfilled according to FB. So next is sent by the middle end. Okay, middle end, and in middle end sign up. After sign up, middle sign up that Java and C++ by the Java C++, it is checked that all the criteria is right or not, is fulfilled or not. If it is fulfilled, then it is sent in backend. Backend is the base. Backend is the database. Okay, in the database, backend is the database in which directly in which gone on the backend, and it is stored in the backend, not checked in middle end. In middle end and back end is not seen by the user. Okay, it is the very important concept, not seen by the user. Okay, it is the software form. Okay, not seen by the user. So database so, okay, so in database backend it is saved in the okay username, password, etc. Okay, such type. In front end web application like that HTML, CSS, many more it is needed. Okay, that's it. Okay, I provided next video in next day. Okay, thank you.